Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Honeywell Thermostat when the cool on light is flashing in 2025. If you're seeing that flashing lights and your AC is not working right, this guide will help you to get back normal quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, the flashing cool on light usually means there is a communication error between your thermostat and the HVAC system, or the system is in delay mode to protect compressor. Step 1. Check your thermostat's batteries if it's used any. Low batteries can cause the system to act up, so replace them with the fresh ones just to be sure. Next, make sure your thermostat is properly connected to the HVAC system. With your thermostat panel and check the wiring to ensure all wires are securely and connected to the correct terminals. If you are unsure, take a clear picture and compare it to Honeywell wiring diagram in your user manual. Step 3. Look for any error codes on the thermostat screen or in the manual. Some models show specific codes that can help diagnose the problem. If everything seems okay with the wiring and batteries, try resetting your thermostat. You can do this by turning off the thermostat, wait about 30 seconds, and then turning it on back on. Some models also have a reset button or specific reset procedures you can follow in the manual. Another important tip is to check your HVAC system's breaker or fuse box. Sometimes the AC unit's breaker trips, causing the thermostat to flash the cool on light. Reset the breaker if needed. If the flashing persists after all this, your system might be in a compressor protection mode. This is a safety feature that prevents the compressor from turning on too soon after being turned off. Usually, it lasts a few minutes, so give it 5 to 10 minutes and see if the flashing stops and the AC starts running normally. Finally, if none of these fixes works, it might be time to call a professional HVAC technician. There could be a deeper issue like a faulty control board or wiring problems that require expert help. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the flashing cool on light on your Honeywell thermostat and get your AC working again. And thanks for watching. If this helped you out, please like, comment any questions you have, and subscribe for more helpful home and tech guides. See you in the next one.